Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can easily make a factory reset or format our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So we will be doing two ways, and for that we will begin with making a right click here in the Windows icon. We'll go to settings. So once you're in the settings window, all you need to do is just to scroll down here in the left pane, and then we will look for Windows Update. It's at the very bottom part. So please make a click on that. And here we need to look for recovery. So if you're not, if you can see it in here, all you need to do is just to type here in the Windows search tab, recovery. And then we get the recovery options just like this one. So please go click on that, and then here we need to look for reset this PC option. Choose to keep or remove your files, then reinstall Windows. So please select this reset this PC option. Once you have done that, you will get this reset this PC option blue window. So you can choose for an option how you can reset your PC. So you can either keep your files or remove everything. For keeping your files, it removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Whereas for remove everything option, it removes all of your personal files, apps, and settings. So let me just click on the first one, keep my files. So it's getting things ready now, and this won't take long. So let's just wait for this loading process to be done, and it's done. So here, you will be asked on how would you like to reinstall the Windows. You can either try this cloud download, which is a online download and reinstall Windows, and you can also have this local reinstall Windows from this device. So cloud download can use more than 4 gigabytes of data, so just make sure that you have at least 10 gigabytes of data. And then once you have selected for an option, just click on that. So let me just select this local option. So here we are now in this additional settings, current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, and reinstall Windows from this device. So just click on next, and then you will be asked other people are logged onto this PC. If you want to continue, then you can now click on next, and you will now be able to reset your device. And if you want also the other way on how you can do the reset, then I will also show you the other way on how you can do the factory reset or the format of your Windows. So let me just quickly close this window. So here in the Windows icon, make a right click again, hover your cursor into the shutdown or sign out option, and then hover it to the restart. So in your keyboard, press and hold the shift key, and then click this restart button here. Once you do that, you will be seeing the blue window or blue screen. So that is the startup repair. So all you need to do is just to click on the troubleshoot, and once you click on the troubleshoot, you will see there the reset this PC option. And once you click on the reset this PC option, you will now be able to see the same window that we have earlier, the blue window wherein you were asked on what to choose between keep my files and remove everything. So from there, you can now select the settings or the options that you would like to prefer, and then you can now reset from there your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so that's it. That's the two ways, the easy two ways, or the two easy ways to make the factory reset or format your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.